Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to completely disable Cortana in the Windows registry on your Windows computer. So this will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select file and then import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Now you want to locate policies, and again, the same procedure as we did before, double click on it. It should be a Microsoft folder under here, so double click on that one as well. It should be a Windows folder, double click on that. And then there should be a folder that says Windows Search. If you don't see a folder, we're going to have to create it. So right click on the Windows folder, select New, and then select Key. Name this key Windows Search, all one word, and hit enter. And now on the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value allow Cortana. Exactly you see it on my screen. So again, allow Cortana. First letter of both words should be capitalized. Hit enter on your keyboard. Note there are no spaces in between. And now that you've done that, that should be it. So the 0 by default means it should be disabled. If you want to re-enable it down the road, you can either delete this key or you could set it to 1. So if you want to re-enable it by modifying this keyword value, if you double click on it, you just set the value data to a numerical value of 1 and you would select OK. However, like I said, if we want to disable it, just keep it at 0, which is a default, so you shouldn't have to come into here. You would select OK. And you would need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, so just go ahead and restart your device at this point. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.